Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in today's video, we are going to learn why do you need matrix in Power BI. So let's learn this with an example. First of all, I am going to take a table visual. After that, I am going to select three columns which are going to be subcategory, region, and sales. Now you can see each of the subcategory by scrolling below, and then we have around 12 regions in our dataset. So now we can see sum of sales for each region and each subcategory, and then you can scroll down and visualize more of it. But now let's convert this into a matrix. You are just simply going to select your table and then select this matrix visual. And now your table is converted into a matrix. Now it is more easier for us to visualize data since it is showing us the data for each of the visual, and it is making it easier to see and summarize and compare data across multiple dimensions. So this is why you need a matrix over a table, because it allows you to display data in a pivot table format, making it easier for you to visualize, unlike a table which only shows data in a flat list format. But now let's learn how you can make a matrix from scratch. So we are just simply going to remove this visual, and now we are making a matrix from scratch. So I am going to select this matrix visual again. So I am going to put subcategory in rows, region in columns, and sales in values. In a table visual, there is only one option, and you put all your columns all together in this one field right here. But in a matrix, we have different fields for each of the column. And then we are going to put it on focus mode, and here you go, our matrix is ready. I hope you learned something new in this video. See you in the next video.